Hello friends, today we will learn how to use or how to complete boat orders. Now we are calling the boat. This boat is coming. Now we can complete the different orders like this, and these tickets, boat tickets. We can go different things with boat tickets. For example, see here, click on here. Yes, these things we can buy these things with boat tickets, and we can decorate our boat. For example, we are changing the color of boat like this. Boat body we can change. Here we can change the boat life buoy. These are the different things we can change, and we can decorate the boat. Which is the missing item? Which is the missing item? And our boat will be here. Click and tap here. This is our boat. We are calling our boat. Tap here on the arrow. Uh, our boat is coming. Oh yes, this is our boat. Order is finished, but because I am telling you, you can't check. Our boat is going. Now the orders, we have got these boat order tickets. Now you can accept new orders from the trade center in 2 hours, so we should wait 2 hours. Okay, this is the method that how we can complete the boat orders. Thanks for watching. Happy traveling, friends.